Lime ball press production line equipment is a complete set of raw material ball production equipment, from the material feeding, destruction, mixing, drying, packaging, palletizing, through the electronic control system active operation, effectively reduce the need for manpower in the late production, reduce production costs, improve the enterprise in the occupation of the market competitiveness. The following to introduce the 4 advantages of lime ball press production line. A high degree of initiative. Reduce the intensity of work. The secondary production capacity is large, can meet the production needs of large mineral powder limited enterprises. 3 lime ball production line can realize continuous operation, can meet the needs of enterprises uninterrupted operation. 4 lime ball production line function is reliable, stable, equipment maintenance and maintenance is simple and convenient, so that customers worry, labor saving,